Adding a line to your Simple Mobile account is straightforward. First, ensure you have an active Simple Mobile account and a compatible device, such as an unlocked GSM phone that works on Verizon bands. Here's an example of a compatible smartphone you might use. Next, log into your account using the Simple Mobile app or website at simplemobile.com. Navigate to My Account and select Add a Line or Manage Plan to proceed. Choose the number of lines you need, up to 10, and select a plan. You may need to enter your device's IMEI number if prompted. Complete your billing details and confirm the payment to finalize the addition. Once payment is confirmed, your new line should activate almost instantly. If adding to an existing account, you may need to start a new multi-line plan and port your existing numbers, which can take 1 to 48 hours. Single lines cost $40 per month and decrease with additional lines. Let's break down the costs and the process of porting your number. Base plans start at $40 per month for a single line. Multi-line discounts bring the cost down. For example, $50 for 2 lines or $60 for 3 lines. Taxes and fees may apply, like a small activation fee. Simple Mobile also offers auto-pay discounts, saving you even more per line. Now, what about porting? Porting means transferring your existing phone number from another carrier to Simple Mobile. To port, gather your account details from your previous provider, including your account number, PIN, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. During the line addition process, select port number and enter all required information. Simple Mobile will then handle the transfer. Intra-Verizon ports are almost instant, while others can take 1 to 2 days. Porting is free, but make sure you have an active SIM and no outstanding balances with your old carrier to avoid delays.